In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete a Squarespace website. Start by going to the Squarespace website and logging into your account. After you're signed in, click on your profile icon and then select Account Dashboard. This will take you to your main dashboard, where all of your sites are listed. To delete a site, find the one you want to remove and click the three dots beside it. If you are using the free trial version of Squarespace, you'll see a Delete option here. However, if this option is not visible, it means you need to cancel your subscription before you can delete the site. To cancel your subscription, click on the Billing option, then go to Subscriptions. If there is an active subscription, you'll see it listed here along with a Cancel Subscription button. After you've successfully cancelled the subscription, return to your dashboard. Go back to the site you want to delete and click the three dots again. This time you should see the Delete option. Click on Delete, then confirm by clicking Delete again. Your site will now be permanently deleted, and that's how you can delete your Squarespace website.